Hello guys, what's up? It's Nelson Maimu from Legitimate Income Online. Guys, our next video is about in Facebook Pixel. Okay, so Facebook Pixel is one of the tracking, which is a tiny image which is completely transparent that you can install on every page on your website. Along with the image, you install a few lines of codes, okay, JavaScript codes, which are being provided by Facebook, which it's including your Facebook advertiser ID. Okay, when someone example landing on any page of your website, your pixel will going to be fired, we're going to be triggered, and as long as the person log in into Facebook on that device, okay, the pixel sending that person of Facebook user ID back to Facebook and save as an event, okay, in Facebook database. Okay, that's a example that user have an ID of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, visited your domain on a certain date. Okay, they visited a page 1 or page 2 of your domain. This information is going to be saved in your database, in your backend of your advertiser area in Facebook. Then you can even go into creating a customized audience based on people who visited that domain, your own domain. So that is what Facebook Pixel will do for you. Okay, so what else can the pixel do? Okay, it's tracking. Okay, it's tracking when people visit your website, what pages they visit. Okay, so it's going to fire all those information back into your dashboard. Also, it's going to do retargeting. Okay, it can help you in doing retargeting. You can even create a customized audience. Okay, people who visit your page. Okay, you're going to target those people who visit your page using those Facebook pixels. Okay, also people who take action, either they opt in either in your landing page, okay, the landing thank you page, or they buy from your website. Okay, you can even target in those people who taking action, so you can do another retargeting in either another offer to those audience who landing in that either opt-in or thank you page, or they buy something from you. Okay, so that is how Facebook Pixel can help you with. Also, it's going to help you to create any lookalike audience. Okay, when it comes to a lookalike audience, you can even target other people who are alike or look alike to those people, either they buy from you, okay, who taking a certain event, who they participate either in purchasing or they opt in. So it's going to find the people who are look alike the people who taking action on your site. Also, Facebook Pixel can help you in optimizing ads. Okay, it's going to help you in optimizing your ads, special events. You're going to see which ads either deliver the most conversion, okay, which ads are getting conversion for the best price. Okay, if also you're going to see which creative is leading to the most or cheapest conversion. So Facebook Pixel is going to do all of that. It's going to measure, okay, it's going to measure a certain ads either perform better. Okay, that's why a lot of people either buy. So those are the events which I'm talking about. Either they opt in a certain ads which you run on Facebook. It's look like there's high conversion on that ads. Even the price, you can see the price on what people when people Facebook user landing on your page, you can see which one is converting well, the creative. Okay, here we're looking at the creative. That is what the Facebook Pixel do. So just this is one of the quickly what can Facebook Pixel can do. But in the next video, I'm going to talk on how you're going to create your first Facebook Pixel. So see you on the next video.